Hello, my name is Kyle Edginton with All-Fill. I'm the Executive Vice President here at All-Fill, third generation owner, and today I'd like to talk to you a little bit more about our line of automatic auger fillers. So the machine we're looking at right here is our entry-level auger filler when it comes to automating your process. This machine in particular is what we call our SHA 600. SHA standing for Single Head Automatic Auger Filler. And basically what we have right here is we have our standard auger filler that everybody is already very familiar with, but instead of having it in a semi-automatic foot pedal operated fashion, we mount this on a conveyor. Now this particular machine has a shorter than standard conveyor. Normally we put our conveyors on an 8-foot long conveyor, and what that allows for is enough in-feed space prior to the fill station, and then ultimately enough out-feed space prior to whatever the other piece of equipment that this might be integrated with. This is a perfect machine, a perfect stepping stone from those companies that are using semi-automatic fillers, maybe obtaining 5, 15 containers a minute, but they need to get to that next threshold, maybe the 20 to 30, possibly even in a good application, 40 containers a minute. The single head automatic is a perfect option for that. The single head automatic as a standard comes exactly like you see it. The two most common and prevalent options are an electronic vibrator mounted right in the conveyor channel, or either a pneumatic or a servo-driven lift station. Vibrators are used in order to settle product inside of a container. If you're trying to fit more product than what could normally fit inside of that, vibration is used to help settle that product. Bottom-up lift, whether it's pneumatic or servo, is used to do the same exact thing as the vibrator. The other advantage of the lift is that it compacts that product and it fills inside the bottle. So when it comes to automatic filling, what every customer is looking for is rates. Again, single head automatic, you're probably somewhere in the 20 to 40 per minute range. And again, this changes per application. Next up from there, we offer a dual head automatic. Same thing that you're looking at here, but rather than having one head, you're having two heads. In the past, we've gotten into triple head fillers. Our more prevalent item, rather than going to a triple head filler, is we use what's called a TA, or a twin auger. Rather than having two separate fill heads, we actually do one shared common hopper, okay? And then that way, you have one single in-feed source, you have two nozzles, and more or less you have double the rates of what you're getting with a single head filler. So again, like all of our auger fillers, these auger fillers are best suited to run products such as a powder type material, a granular type material, and really just about everything in between. When it comes to an automatic auger filler, a customer knows or is ready to buy something like this when they need faster rates. Semi-automatic auger filler is a great way to get started, a great machine to get started with, but when you need to go faster, that's when you start to get into the automatic fillers. Just about every single part on this machine we stock in our stock room, and the parts are available for overnight delivery in most cases. Same goes for the dual head automatic. Same goes for even rotaries, if you will. Now, it's not as standard of a machine, so some items need to be ordered, but for the most part, we have everything that you're looking at available for immediate delivery. We always encourage all of our customers here at All-Fill, especially when it gets into automatic machines, to come in for an FAT, or what's referred to as a factory acceptance test. This way a customer can come in, they can check out their machine, they can put it through its paces, they can get startup assistance, they can get training, they can get a comfortability level with the equipment. So when it does get to their plant floor, they're ready to run it and they know exactly what to expect. Automatic auger filling machines like the single head automatic that you're looking at right here start around $30,000 and up. We ship our equipment here at All-Fill all over the world, mainly domestic United States, but all over the world in many cases. The high end of the spectrum, and what I'm going to explain to you here, is our high-speed rotary auger filling system. Again, I mentioned earlier that when it comes to automatic auger filling, it's all about rates. People start at one, they got to go faster. And as the need for speed continues, we keep offering different products and different machines that can get you faster and faster. This is kind of the ultimate here with the rotary auger filler. Now the difference with this, same auger filling technology that you've learned from us already, but the big difference here is how we're handling the containers. We handle this in a circular format with what we call a rotary turret. Containers come in through the in-feed via a timing screw that allows for proper spacing. They ultimately get to the in-feed star wheel. As they get to the in-feed star wheel, they get inserted into the rotary turret. The auger filler in this case, unlike the other machines that we've discussed, is not intermittently filling. It's filling continuously. And as that continues to fill in each one of those transfer funnels that you see there, in this case there's 36 different transfer funnels, as that continues to fill, there's a container underneath. Now the advantage of the Rotary is that as that container or that transfer funnel gets filled, it has time to settle the product into that container by the time it gets to the outfeed star wheel that you see on the right-hand side. We're able to increase the rates with this because of the 36 pockets that you see right here and the circular motion that this is getting filled. So if you need to go faster, we can always go to more pockets and a larger pitch. If you need to go slower, you just don't need to go as fast, we can go to less pockets and a smaller pitch. But in theory, the auger filling technology stays exactly the same. Again, it's all just about rates. Dual head auger fillers, twin head auger fillers, multiple auger fillers. Whatever you are looking for, we can help you with, and we're more than happy to explain and get you in the right machine. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. It's always a pleasure to explain our company and our equipment offerings to you better. Please feel free to reach out to me personally at any time, Kyle, K-Y-L-E, at allfill.com, or you can call our main number, 610-524-7350, and one of our team members will be anxious and eager to help you out.